If you're seeing the dreaded WordPress error 500 right after updating your PHP version, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you step by step through exactly how to fix the WordPress error 500 after a PHP update, even if you're not a developer. This issue is very common when your theme, plugins, or server settings are not fully compatible with the new PHP version. By the end of this tutorial, your website should be back up and running smoothly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress troubleshooting guides just like this. Let's get started. The first thing we need to do is enable WordPress debug mode so we can see what's actually causing the error. To do this, log into your hosting account and open your file manager, or connect using FTP. Go to the root directory of your WordPress installation. This is usually the folder called public_html. Inside that folder, locate the file named wp-config.php. Right-click and choose Edit. Now look for the line that says define, open bracket, single quote, wp_debug, single quote, comma, false, close bracket. Change the word false to true. Save the file. This will allow WordPress to display detailed error messages instead of just showing a generic 500 error. Refresh your website and see if a specific plugin or theme file is mentioned in the error message. Next, we're going to deactivate all plugins, because plugin incompatibility is one of the most common causes of error 500 after a PHP update. If you can still access your WordPress dashboard, go to Plugins, then click on Installed Plugins. Select all plugins using the checkbox at the top, choose Deactivate from the Bulk Actions dropdown, and click Apply. After deactivating them, refresh your website and check if the error is gone. If your site loads correctly, that means one of your plugins is not compatible with the new PHP version. You can then reactivate them one by one to identify which plugin is causing the issue. If you cannot access your dashboard, go back to File Manager, open the WP Content folder, and rename the Plugins folder to something like Plugins-old. This will automatically deactivate all plugins at once. The third step is to regenerate your htaccess file. Sometimes after a PHP update, your existing htaccess file may cause conflicts. If you can access your dashboard, go to Settings, then Permalinks. Without changing anything, simply click the Save Changes button. This forces WordPress to generate a new, clean htaccess file. Now refresh your website and see if the error has been resolved. This step alone fixes the issue in many cases. Finally, we're going to increase the PHP memory limit. A new PHP version can sometimes require more memory, especially if your site runs heavy plugins or themes. Go back to your WP config file and add this line before the line that says, "That's all, stop editing." Add define, open bracket, single quote, WP_memory limit, single quote, comma, single quote, 256M, single quote, close bracket, semicolon. Save the file. This increases your PHP memory limit to 256 megabytes. Alternatively, you can also increase memory from your hosting control panel if your provider allows it. After completing these 4 steps, your WordPress error 500 after the PHP update should be resolved. If it's still not fixed, you may need to temporarily switch to a default WordPress theme like 2026 to rule out theme incompatibility. That's it. You've just learned how to fix WordPress error 500 after a PHP update step by step. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress fixes, tutorials, and optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.